Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Cancer water sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages, Cancer. First card, Strength. Wow. Two of Cups. Seven of Pentacles. I think there is love between you and your person. Two of Cups is here. Definitely you both could be soulmates also. And Strength. I think you stand by your power. You or your person could be Leo also. You overcome all the traumas and all the pain, whatever you are going through in your life right now. Definitely you stand by your power. You overcome all those, whatever you are going through. Definitely you stand by your power. And Two of Cups, definitely someone approaching you. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, definitely your love life is going to be next level. Two of Cups is here. And Seven of Pentacles is, I think, you may be invested in this connection in past, but it is coming to you. What you invest, it's coming back to you. I'm getting, yes, you invested in this, and definitely your person already came to you, and then you become like this, definitely. So let's see some more messages, then we will get clarity. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Leo. Okay, Three of Wands. Or for some, you are waiting for your person, and but you stand by your power. Page of Swords. Yeah, Four of Cups. I think your person feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you in past. There are spying going between you and your person. Maybe your person spying on you on social media. Three of Wands. I think you turn your back from your person recently. What is going? Definitely, I think in past there is love between both of you. You invested in this connection, but something is happened between both of you. Then you turn your back from your person. For some you are waiting for your person to come towards you, and you are waiting for them to make first move towards you, definitely. And this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities and different countries or different states, and I think you may be spying on them on social media, or your person may be spying on you on social media. Spying. Yeah, Four of Cups. Definitely this person feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you, or you feeling sad. So let's see some more. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, Five of Swords. Ace of Swords. Lot of air energy, guys. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Hangman. I think one person in this connection right now stuck. They are undergoing some spiritual awakening. It could be you or your person. I think Five of Swords. Definitely there are some fightings between you and your person, but some communication, some truth coming out is coming. Definitely your person want to express their feelings to you. They want to tell truth. Yeah, Ace of Swords with Page of Swords. Definitely they are trying to communicate you. Yeah, they are spying on you on social media. Definitely some communication is coming in. I think you may be spiritually awakening, but I think your person may be stuck on you, I'm getting. So let's see some more. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. In past there is love, you both are okay, but something is happened. Then there is separate. Yeah, see, Seven of Swords. Because you turn your back from your person due to your person is, see, King of Swords. Your person is sneaky. Maybe he lied to you or cheated on you. He or she, the Sun. For some it could be third party, children's involved. Already your person have kids with another woman. That's why you walked away from this connection. You turn your back after knowing the truth. Definitely you cut them off because you are the honest person, Cancer. You are very straightforward in nature. Definitely you always speaks truth. You always invest in this connection. But Your person sneaky and played mind games with you. Definitely they are manipulator. Then you cut them off. Yeah, King of Swords. You always honest. And the Sun. Definitely some children's involved in this connection. Third party it could be. I'm not seeing the Sun card as positive in this reading because I am getting the third party and children's involved. For some, you after the separation, your person realize you both. Yeah, they want to express their feelings. They see you like the Sun. I'm getting. So let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. First, we will see your person current feelings. Seven of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Swords. Yeah, they're feeling very sad for the separation and they're thinking about you a lot day and night. And Knight of Pentacles and Seven of Wands. Yeah, they don't want to give up on you. And Knight of Pentacles, but they are in very slow moving energy. They are coming back to you, but very slow moving energy. But your person is sneaky. If your person is sneaky, you already know about your person. Please don't make another mistake. If you want to give second chance to your person, if it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, it's up to you totally. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What I am getting here, your person always in and out of your life. That create more deception and insecurity also sometimes. Yeah, so let's say your person a future actions towards you. But they realize you both after you walked away. I'm getting Cancer. Two cards. Three of Wands, 2 times. Six of Wands. Six of Swords. Yeah. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. Definitely they want success with you and they want to fix the things between both of you. Definitely Six of Swords moving towards calm water. And definitely for some it could be traveling involved in this connection. Definitely they want success with you, but they are in slow moving energy. They are coming to fix the things between both of you. But it's up to you because Seven of Swords is here. You know what to do, what not to do, depending upon your situation. But you cut them off because King of Swords here in past. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Mutual energies. Five of Pentacles. King of Swords 2 times. Five of Pentacles separation. Chariot. Death. You or your person, maybe Scorpio, undergoing some spiritual awakening. I think you are very straightforward. Still you stand by your power. King of Swords. Cancer. And your Chariot, your card. Definitely you have started something new in your life in career wise, but your person feeling sad. Five of Pentacles. Death. They are undergoing some spiritual awakening, but they are coming back. They want to take this relationship to next level. For some there will be reconciliation. Definitely Chariot, there will be some movement, but it will take some time because your person energy is also Knight of Pentacles. They are in very slow moving energy. Yeah, but some communication will also open up between both of you if you are in separation or no contact. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation. For some, I think you don't want to give another chance to your person. You know about your, especially when you know about your person is sneaky and your person putting in third party situation. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Cancer. Five of Wands, 10 of Swords, 3 of Cups, 9 of Wands. Yeah, you are protecting your heart from your person and you are protecting your emotions too. And 3 of Cups, for some it could be third party situation also. And 10 of Swords, yeah, painful endings. And for some it could be new cycles beginning between both of you. 5 of Wands. I think some fightings and your person ready to fight for your attention. I am getting you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. 5 of Wands 2 times, Ace of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, 9 of Wands. What? I think, yeah, your person in slow moving energy, definitely they don't want to give up on this connection. And the Queen of Pentacles, definitely they want to share their feelings with you. And Ace of Swords, definitely they want to express their feelings, because 2 times Ace of Swords is here. Lot of air energy, definitely communication is the key here, guys. And 5 of Wands, they are ready to fight for your attention, guys. Yeah, they're coming back. Please be careful if your person is manipulator. Already you know about your person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.